Well, hello, Canadian Campaholic here. It is around March 19th now. So I believe tomorrow is the first official day of spring. We had some really warm weather up here in Canada in recent weeks. I had the battery hooked up to the camper, the propane in there. In fact, my one of my youngest kids was so desperate to go camping, they did a little bit of camp backyard. But now it's cold again, snowing, below zero, windy, pretty frigid. So took the battery out of the camper, put it back on a smart charge in the shop, and all of the kind of spring prep for the campers on hold currently. But who knows? Maybe we'll get some nicer weather soon. Outside of that, I thought I'd just provide a quick personal update, quick channel update, if you will, just to keep some content going on the channel. We've now booked 3 trips for the 2024 camping season. We were actually able to score our favorite campsite of all campsites for the first 2 trips, which is incredibly rare. I'm super, super excited. So those 2 trips will be to Pinery. Third trip is going to be going up to Point Farms, north of Godridge, to enjoy some beach weather. Now I'm just waiting for the 5-month booking window to kick in for mid to late August. But as is normal, competition for getting sites is fierce. But we've usually been lucky with, booking kind of Sunday arrivals, Wednesday arrivals, and just being patient. Outside of that, not a huge amount coming to the channel soon. We do have an issue with the fridge where it's freezing. Everything that you put in the fridge is running way too cold. I think that the thermistor, I think it's called, has failed. There's a lot of videos on YouTube of folks fixing that, but what the heck, I'll purchase one and I'll fix it as well and show you all of that in that video. Going to be doing all kinds of spring prep, including sanitizing the fresh water system and cleaning the inside of the trailer, washing it on the outside, cleaning the awning. It's all stuff that's on the channel already. I did a spring maintenance video last year, so probably won't redo that. But I've noticed that traffic on the channel has gone up. My top video, which is about backing your trailer into a campsite, has started to get a lot of traction and a lot of people commenting on that one again, so that's nice to see. But regardless, I hope you've had a good winter. I hope everybody stayed safe and got lots of rest. I hope you too are getting your plans together for the upcoming camping season. We've had to spend a small fortune on our tow vehicle over the winter. It needed 4 new tires. That was over $1,000. It needed some exhaust work. And now I want to focus on some tune-ups, including getting the spark plugs changed, possibly fuel injectors. Might be a fuel injector issue, getting that changed too. Just because the vehicle's a 2018 and because the trailer is at the bleeding edge of the tow limits for that vehicle when you count passengers and cargo, it's really important to make sure your tow vehicle's in tip-top condition. It's not like when we had the truck and the truck was almost brand new and the trailer was well below its towing capacity, so we could be a little more laissez-faire about the tow vehicle. Safety is absolutely key. So anyway, I'm rambling now as I do, so I'll end the video there, but stay tuned. We'll have more coming up in the future. And as always, if you have not already subscribed to the channel, please do so. Hit that like button, smash that like button, I guess is the way to put it. Hit the bell button as well so you get updates when we post to the channel. Happy camping. We'll talk to you later.